Hey, I'm Chef Dave, and welcome back to But Make It Plant-Based. But, what is it?
But make it plant-based.
But make it plant-based. I'm never gonna get that. Okay, and we're gonna do it again. But make it plant-based. Okay. But make it plant-based. Hey, I'm Chef Dave, and welcome back to But Make It Plant-Based. And today, we are going to be making a plant-based version of mayonnaise. Here we have the mayonnaise, and so you have this nice, thick, kind of eggy, fatty, citrusy, salty. It's just, I don't know what it is about mayonnaise, but it is delicious and it's incredible on a sandwich or putting it in a salad. But yeah, we're gonna take all of those kind of components of what makes that work, and we're gonna do it plant-based. It's pretty simple. We're only using 6 ingredients here to make our mayonnaise. So to replace the egg, we have some silken tofu and then a plant-based milk, and you can use soy milk, oat milk, any kind of milk. I prefer my mayonnaise to not be sweetened at all, so I use an unsweetened. But basically, to replace the egg, you want some sort of, usually a protein. Although you can use, if you guys are familiar with aquafaba, you can actually use that, which is the liquid. Like if you open up a can of chickpeas, you can actually use the liquid there, and that will actually create an emulsion just like this does. So we're also going to use, for the oil, we have sunflower oil, some salt, and then just a couple of ingredients to bring out the acidity and create that acidity that we recognize in mayonnaise. And it's just going to be some cider vinegar and some lemon juice. We're going to start with the silken tofu. That was a half box of the silken tofu. And then we have a half cup of the soy milk here. Get that going. Okay, and I'm gonna get the salt in there now too. It's a half tablespoon of salt. Now we have to create an emulsion. All right, let's do this. Okay, now I'm gonna get ready to add the sunflower oil. So the whole magic of mayonnaise is that it's an emulsion, right? I won't get too into the science of it, but basically the water and the oil join together and they'll stay together. They won't separate. Like if you ever took water and just dumped some oil on there and tried to mix it up, you know that it doesn't really come together very easily. So the way that we're gonna do that, first of all, there's a lot of protein in here, and protein is a very friendly to emulsions. And then the second way is we're gonna add the oil, but we're gonna add it super, super slowly. And this is really important, especially at the very beginning, to create that emulsion. For this batch size, we're gonna do 2 cups of oil. So that was about two cups of oil, and you want to pour it real slow to get that emulsion. And I don't know if you notice, the sound will change a little bit, and when you open it up and you take a look, now it's this nice thick emulsified liquid. The water and the oil are completely tied together, I guess, for lack of a better way of saying it. And now I'm just going to finish it off with just the acidity. Put that in. That was 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, and now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar. This will make it nice and acidic, and we just want to blend that up really good. And if you look, the acidity even thickens it up more. So now we just want to and that's it. 6 ingredients. Just got to be a little patient with the oil. But look at that beautiful emulsion, nice and thick, mayonnaise-y, if I can say that. All right, to give it a taste. Definitely very rich. Good acid though, nice and acidic, and good salt level. Yeah, I mean, I'd rather have it in a sandwich, honestly. It's kind of interesting to eat it straight up, but wow, that's pretty good. Nice and bright. Mayonnaise too, it's very, very versatile. You can use it for so many things. Just on a sandwich as a spread. You can do it with, you can use it as a base for a salad dressing, like a ranch or a Caesar or something. You can make like a vegetable salad, like a potato salad or a pasta salad. And you can make all kinds of different sauces. You have tartar sauce, Thousand Island sauce. There's so many things you can do with this, just starting with this simple sauce. And if you want a really special sauce, take a look at our Big Mac video, because we make a Thousand Island dressing on that one. That's the magical special sauce, and this is the base for that. Thanks so much for joining us today on But Make It Plant-Based. If you like what you saw here today, hit like and subscribe below. And if there's something you'd like to see us do plant-based, drop a comment below. I'll see you next time.